get wet.
Pause.
Hey, how many?
Okay, now it's recording.
Alright, you pumping.
Are you taking a picture or are you recording?
Recording. This is lame, guys. Hurry up! Go to work! Come on, Daddy, faster! I'm not gonna do it. I'm pulling the string. Pump it, Daddy.
I'm pulling the string. No, I already called it.
Are you already recording it?
Pump faster, Daddy.
You get to pump it.
I'm not pumping it.
You are.
No. I'm doing the thing back there with them.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I am.
You're not.
What's so wrong?
I told you right now. Hecka high.
You come in. You're recording.
Liters of water, 70 psi.
Alright.
Faster, Daddy.
We had 40.
That's why I wore my
Never mind.
donkey shoes today.
What'd you say?
It said 70 psi.
Yeah.
Actually, ready?
Oh, I took mine off.
It's already recorded. It's been recording, you lame sauce.
PSI.
What are you doing?
Christian.
All right, go.
70 psi.
Okay. Oh my God. Grab the string. Count with me. 5,
4, 3,